Before we get this video started, guys, and there's a lot of work that gets done in this video. Huge shout out to Hyperlite. We're running their 160 watt linear high bay wheel series lights. Things are super bright. We have 2 left that we're going to put up in the shop. But as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 back here, and it's lit up this back hallway really good. Before, we couldn't see anything back here. We were tripping over stuff. It was almost a hazard, to be honest with you. But with these linear high bays, we can see now. So huge shout out to Hyperlite. Their information will be down below. We actually are running a couple of their exterior lights as well. Comes with everything needed to install, from the wiring to the chains to the manual where you can learn about it. So huge shout out to them. If you want some more information, it'll be down below where you guys can check it out. Let's jump into the video. A ton of things get done in this video. Don't skip out. You gotta stay to the end. You're gonna be amazed how much we get done in this week. So thank you for all the support as always, and we'll see you at the end of the video. Peace. Early in the morning, we got the spray foam guys and the pressure washers out here, and they're gonna pressure wash all of this concrete, and hopefully it looks a little bit better. I tried to use my electric pressure washer yesterday, but it just wasn't working out good. So early in the morning, we're gonna try to paint up here at the Blue today, me and Hunter, and we got a lot to take care of and get done. So stay tuned, and hopefully we get a lot done. February 17th is coming up fast, so we need to get everything ready.
Lit. Start it up.
So we just got done painting the outside, and it looks so much better now. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Huge shout out to all the guys, including the spray foam guys. One of them is a subscriber, which is pretty cool to know. So he's been spray foaming. He just got finished up with the lobby, so making good progress there. Took them a while, yeah, but their ceiling tiles are kind of in their way. So the rest of the shop should go smoother, but the rest of the shop, we got a lot of stuff to mask off too. So it may go smoother, hopefully, is what we're hoping for. But anyway, It's not gonna rain for 5 more hours, the forecast says, so that gives it 5 hours, which is good enough. Is what the paint store said based on this paint we're spraying. He said it's good to go. So, boom. Should dry out and stop looking so patchy. It looks really good in person. Hopefully it looks good on camera as well. But yeah. What do you guys think?
What, the color?
Yeah.
Oh, so much better than blue.
So much
So
better.
much better.
What do you think, Hunter?
Looks good.
Happy with it?
Yeah. Looks really good.
Sweet.
I'm hoping it doesn't start raining and then we get here in the morning and it's all on the ground, but
Yeah, it'll be all right. It's not supposed to start raining until like 5 hours from now. And it's 72 degrees out here. 72 degrees, partly cloudy. And it looks really, by the way, obviously we're gonna paint that white. We're about to do that right now. Paint that edge white. And our pillars, we're gonna paint white. We got a little overspray on them. But for the most part, it looks a lot better. And hopefully after a little while, it won't stop looking so patchy. We're gonna mill up all these potholes. It was supposed to be getting done today, but the asphalt company had a problem, so they gotta do it early next week. But asphalt early next week, and signage, the Sunbelt Auto Pro sign, 80 foot by 3 foot, huge sign. Gonna be hopefully one of the biggest signs in the city. It's gonna be on the front of this shop, so it's gonna look really, really good. So we're looking forward to it. Everything's going great, everything's going as planned. We're right on schedule for our opening day, 17 February. So stay tuned. If you guys want some information on the opening day, follow the Facebook page, Sunbelt Auto Pro, at Sunbelt Auto Pro on Facebook, where you guys can check out our information on the opening day and the grand opening. We're gonna be grilling out some stuff. So stay tuned to the Facebook page for the exact information. And with that said, we're gonna get some more work done and we'll see you in a minute. Polish and coat the scat pack tomorrow. So everything's going well. We're ceramic coating some wheels right now. On this side, Nick's taking care of some wheels, getting them ceramic coated. The electricians are running us our air line for our air reel. We're running air line obviously here, and we're running one on the other side of the wall for the main shop. So everything's going very well. We got a new water heater up there so we can plumb for a shower, a sink, the washer, and the refrigerator. So refrigerator, the sink, all 3 sinks in the bathrooms, the shower we're putting right here, and the washer will all have hot water. So that's getting done today, which is good. Alrighty guys, I shaved, I know I'm a baby face, but the team has killed it this week. It's the end of the week. We've got a lot done this week. They're prepped for spray foam. They masked everything off, masked the floor off, obviously. We've painted the black down the wall in the main shop area. We've got to touch up some edges, of course. We've got to finish the trim. We're cleaning the gun right now. We've got to finish the trim. We've got trim all over the place. I'll show you guys the update in the lobby. We've got a lot done in the lobby. We've got the countertop moved over here where it's going to rest. We got to still do the siding on it, but we're going to put the TV up right there. It's going to be the coffee bar corner. The ceiling tiles, check those things out. We got the spray foam obviously done. Spray foam looks really good. We painted the runners black, so I know there's kind of a glare on the camera here, but we still got to kind of clean that tile. It's a little dirty, but for the most part, the ceiling will look like this. We got to clean it up a little bit, but it's going to look really good. Spray foam above it, 3-inch closed cell. We have the Wi-Fi set up in the shop. We have the phone set up in the shop. The counter is set in its place. The grout is already done, of course, underneath the counter. My office, a lot of things happen there, getting it squared away and ready. The back hallway, by the way, we got AC units everywhere. We got 3 AC units back here. We got one here. We got them all the way down. We got one there and then one more down there. So we got 3 AC units in the main shop area. We got 2 more added back here. This is gonna be for the break room. So it's a little bit smaller of a unit. It's not a 3-ton, I think it's like a 2-ton unit. And then we got another 2-ton unit down here. This is gonna be the storage area right here. We're gonna wall this off. Gonna have separation walls to separate the break room from the storage area to the tent and PPF room, which is back here. Bunch of furniture. Furniture is all over the place. We got furniture here, furniture there, furniture over there. And we got some more chairs right there for the lobby. So a lot of stuff is getting done. They're still plumbing up and fixing, like you may see some lines hanging from the roof or something. Obviously their AC guys are not done. They're gonna come in actually tomorrow on a Saturday. Just like there's a couple workers coming in tomorrow on a Saturday to just tidy things up. Compressor's 100%. The new water heater is 100%. Got an electric water heater now instead of gas because we don't have gas running to the building. The fridge, everything's plumbed for the fridge, including the water. So the break room is gonna have a fridge in here, a sink, everything's plumbed for it. Microwave, obviously, so the employees don't have to freaking, really my friends, I call them employees, but really just my freaking friends. They don't have to freaking go out of town or out into town to get food every day. They can just pack their lunch, put it in the fridge, microwave it during lunchtime, and then get back to work. So they don't have to drive and pay for meals every single day because that adds up, and we don't want to have to do that. I don't want to have to do that. So I'm gonna bring my lunch too. But the shower, we got plumbed water, hot water, and cold water, and we have a P-trap and a drain down at the bottom there. So the shower is gonna go right here next to the washer and dryer. The washer and dryer is 99% done. The last thing we have to do, we're actually probably gonna have to turn these, honestly, because the vent makes more sense to have on the back wall than that wall, the side wall, because then we'd have to go 2 different angles. So the vent, the holes already plugged for it. That's the last thing. We could run the washer and dryer right now if we wanted to, but the hose would just vent inside the shop, but we're not gonna do that. We'll just wash microfibers at the house until Monday. It'll be done Monday. So there's a gym next door. That's why we're putting a shower in here, because me and the guys are probably gonna go work out in the morning before work, and then come in here, shower, get dressed, and get to work. That's the plan, at least. So we're gonna put a shower inside the shop, which is gonna be pretty unique. I don't know of any other detail shop that has a shower inside of it, so that'll be pretty cool. We got hot water running to all the sinks. We got 2 in the employee bathroom. We got 1 in the guest bathroom, or the lobby bathroom. It has a sink, so hot and cold water to all those. So that worked out good. And that's a huge water heater. Well, not a huge one, but it's a 40-gallon. We're never gonna use 40 gallons of hot water inside the freaking, or we're not gonna use that much hot water inside here. So we're gonna eventually drywall frame all this in, make it all look nice and pretty inside the break room. But things are going good. We've got a ton of work done this week. Painted the outside. The asphalt was actually supposed to get done in this video, but it's been raining, so the asphalt guys have put off until next week. So you guys will see the asphalt and the signage gets installed on Tuesday. So the signage and the asphalt will be in next video. So next video is gonna be huge, guys. This video was big. Next video is gonna be even bigger. But with that said, guys, everybody's heading out for the week. Everybody's getting in their cars. Everyone has absolutely killed it this week. I know I say that all the time, but each week it seems like we're getting more and more done. Everybody's staying motivated. Without this team around me, there's no way I could get this done. So full credit to those guys. We got a ton of work done this week, even more work to do next week. So stay tuned to the video. If you guys are new, make sure you're subscribing, pin those push notifications on. We got a ton of work to do left on this shop to get this old dream Napa shop ready. Not a Napa shop anymore. Sign is down and we got it painted. We're gonna change this sign and the sign at the top and the asphalt next week. Stay tuned, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.